According to the United States Department of Justice, people with mental illness and learning disabilities are more likely than others to struggle at finding and maintaining employment. With the passage of the Americans with Disabilities Act in 1990, services have been created with the goal of accommodating all individuals with regard to finding employment. And in central Iowa, you'll find one organization that is using food to help people secure a job.
We're a really special farm, I think. We are a microbusiness of Optime Life Services. Our mission is to provide employment opportunities and one-on-one job coaching to Optime customers who may have a cognitive disability, chronic mental illness, that kind of thing. Unlike most small CSA farms, which we are pretty comparable to, we have this other work we're doing, working with our customers.
Raccoon Forks Farm is a CSA located just outside of Redfield. It's part of Raccoon Forks microbusinesses. These are places like bakeries, coffee shops, and diners located throughout central Iowa, all of which offer job opportunities for individuals with barriers to employment.
Take the leaves so that they'll fit nicely in the boxes. The mission is, in a nutshell, to help people, whether it's to help people gain job experience or to help people eat healthier and know what to do with the vegetables that we're sending them. At Redfield, we grow a little bit of everything. Tomatoes, peppers, kale, kohlrabi, just the whole gamut. So Bud and Corey have been here for about 2 years now. They're some of our most consistent workers. They do a little bit of everything.
We'll probably get maybe 250 to 300 on this program.
They're just really hard workers.
So the idea is to help people find a niche that works for them, that they find fulfilling, and that they can earn a little money, and that they can work to grow in the way that they want to grow, metaphorically and literally.
That's the finished product.
They work really hard, and it's partly because we do almost everything by hand. We collect our eggs by hand, we wash them by hand, we weigh them by hand, we pack them by hand, and we put them in the cases and transport them by hand. So a lot of love and care and attention goes into everything that comes off this farm.
Readjust here or Corey's gonna end up wet.
There's more than just the food. We're really proud of the food we produce, but there's also all that background of working with our customers.
I think that I like most seeing the progress in people, even if it's the little things. Figuring out how to do something on their own or remembering to do something on their own, it's amazing to see.